Locate the main water shutoff before cutting into walls or starting a remodel to prevent flooding and protect your work. Start by tracing the pipe from the water meter or where the main supply enters the structure, because older homes often have unconventional routing and valves hidden in plain sight. If the house has a basement, lift your head and follow the largest pipe coming in from the foundation wall toward the water heater or a cluster of supply lines. The main shutoff is usually on that incoming line and will be larger than branch valves. In homes with crawl spaces, move carefully and use a flashlight to inspect near the foundation wall and under porches where a gate valve or ball valve may be mounted to a horizontal section of pipe. Feel for a stem or lever and try operating it gently to confirm full shutoff. Check the exterior near the street for a meter box and an outside shutoff valve, which is common on properties with municipal service and may require a meter key or long wrench to operate. Lubricate stiff stems with penetrating oil and avoid forcing frozen parts. If pipe materials are lead or galvanized steel, be cautious because they can be fragile or corroded. Consider using a second person to hold a bucket or towels and to observe fixtures while you operate the valve. When you find and operate the valve, run a nearby faucet to verify the supply is isolated and note the valve type and condition so you can plan repair or replacement before work begins. Common mistakes include assuming the basement valve controls the whole house when separate exterior and interior shutoffs both exist, so check both and verify by running several fixtures to confirm complete isolation. Another issue is forcing a stuck or corroded valve, which can break and cause immediate flooding. Instead, gently free the stem with penetrating oil, tap lightly to loosen, or shut service off at the street or meter and call a plumber. Homeowners often overlook valve accessibility during the remodel, which makes future maintenance hard. Relocate or install an accessible ball valve on the main line if you will be doing frequent work, and label it clearly for future users. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and offers a discussion community where we exchange practical tips about finding and operating main shutoff valves, valve replacement options, and prep steps for remodels. We help contractors find work by listing projects and enabling conversations that lead to bids and referrals.